Welcome back again, and I'm Rengso Mirza. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will be a great support for me. And today is the 10th day of 30 days challenge. I'm doing a 30 days challenge, so I'm a basic beginner in the gym, and I am trying to show you how much I can change during these 30 days. So today is the 10th day of this 30 days challenge. So please keep on watching, and let us see for ourselves together how we can change in 30 days. And so today I'll be working on my bicep and tricep. So let us go ahead. Keep on watching. Let's go.